Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to talk about how you can use Pancakeswap with Binance. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So we are on CoinMarketCap and we are on Pancakeswap here. If you see the past 7 days chart, Pancakeswap is falling down and there is a reason behind it because the overall API that Pancakeswap was giving has fallen down drastically now, and the thing is this token would be unlocked for all the users who had locked their pancakeswap token. So pancakeswap is nothing but a native token of pancakeswap decentralized exchange, and it's majorly for exchanging your bnb, or maybe you can use native pancakeswap token to buy altcoins which are on bnb smart chain. Now if we go down, there has been bearish comments from all of them, and I personally think that it will take some time for pancakeswap to recover back again. Now if we talk about Binance, the thing is like you can buy pancakeswap directly on Binance. So if we go here and click on markets, and as you can see Binance, you can also buy it on KuCoin, and pancakeswap itself you can buy, where you can exchange other tokens and buy cake. And then there is sushi swap. There are a lot of options to buy pancake swap, but for this we will use Binance, and I will also show you how you can use it with Binance. So we are on my Binance account right now, and I will search for pancake swap, and if I click on buy, you can directly buy using fiat, or deposit. You can deposit pancakeswap from maybe your trust wallet or metamask or some other exchange, and you can also withdraw, trade and earn. Now if I click on buy, and we will wait for it to load. It's taking some time, quite some time. Maybe we can type USD over here, and now as you can see, if I spend 100 USD, then I would be getting 36.6 cake as per the current exchange rate. So this is how you can buy cake on your Binance. And also you can do one thing, that you can go to PancakeSwap and go to connect wallet connect. So I've already connected my wallet. In this case, I'm using the Binance wallet. All you have to do is Google Binance wallet Chrome extension and click on it and wait for it to load. And here is the option to add Binance wallet. Now I've already added Binance wallet, and the thing is like if I open my Binance wallet over here, this is also taking some time. Okay, so as you can see, my wallet is already here, Ashon Crypto. This is my address, and I've connected the same wallet over here. So all you have to do is you can swap your tokens. Now let's say if you go to Pancake Swap and press on swap, we will just reverse this. And let's say if you have 1000 cake, which is like 2630 US dollars. So you can simply go ahead and swap the tokens over here. Since I don't have any cake balance, that's why I'm not able to swap. But then you can get it in your Binance wallet, and then you can directly transfer that specific crypto to your Binance. If we go over here and check for wallet, fiat and spot, and if we'll wait for it to load, then you can select any BNB smart chain tokens over here which are listed on Binance. Now we will take the case of USDT. We'll click on deposit, and in the network chain we have to select BEP20, and then you can directly transfer it from your Binance wallet over here to this address. So it is this simple to use PancakeSwap with Binance. And in case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.